What makes someone look effortlessly stylish in autumn while everyone else seems stuck in the past? And how does Linda Wright manage to embrace the cozy feeling of the season without letting her wardrobe look dated? That's the interesting part about Linda's style. She doesn't try to dress younger. She doesn't chase every trend that suddenly appears on social media. Instead, she seems to understand something much more important. Modern style isn't about wearing everything that's new, it's about knowing what still feels fresh. As autumn arrives, the fashion world changes almost overnight. The air becomes cooler, layers return, textures become richer, and suddenly everyone starts reaching for familiar seasonal pieces. But here's the question. How do you create an autumn wardrobe that feels current without looking like you're desperately following fashion? Linda Wright's approach offers an interesting answer. Her autumn style is built around balance. She knows when to embrace the season and when to keep things simple. Rather than allowing heavy layers, overly complicated outfits, or too many seasonal details to take over, she keeps the overall look polished and intentional. And isn't that what makes an outfit feel modern? It's not necessarily the price of the clothing. It's not about having a wardrobe packed with designer labels. Sometimes it's simply about how everything comes together. Linda understands the power of clean silhouettes. Her outfits tend to feel considered rather than overloaded. There's enough structure to create elegance, but enough ease to keep the look natural, and that balance becomes especially important during autumn, when layering can quickly make an outfit feel bulky or overwhelming. So what happens when the weather gets colder? Instead of treating every layer as an opportunity to add something else, the smarter approach is to make every piece serve a purpose. A beautiful outer layer can become the foundation of the entire outfit. A simple base can allow a more interesting texture to stand out. Accessories can add personality without competing with everything else. That is where Linda's style becomes particularly inspiring. She appears to understand that sophistication often comes from restraint. Think about the difference between an outfit that has been carefully edited and one where every trend has been thrown together. Which one looks more expensive? Which one feels more timeless? And which one would you still want to wear next autumn? That's the secret. Linda's autumn wardrobe doesn't need to scream, "Look at me, I'm following the latest trend." Instead, it quietly communicates confidence. And that's a powerful lesson for anyone who wants to avoid looking outdated. Because looking outdated isn't necessarily about wearing something old. Sometimes an outfit can be completely new and still feel old-fashioned because of the way it has been styled. The silhouette may feel too rigid, the combination may be overly predictable, or perhaps there are simply too many details competing for attention. Linda's approach is different because she focuses on the overall impression. She allows classic pieces to meet contemporary styling. She understands that something familiar can suddenly feel fresh when the proportions, layering, accessories, or overall combination are updated. And isn't that much more practical than replacing your entire wardrobe every season? Autumn is actually one of the best seasons for this kind of dressing. Why? Because layering naturally creates opportunities to experiment. You can take something classic and give it a completely different personality simply by changing what you wear with it. A familiar wardrobe staple can suddenly look sophisticated with a cleaner combination. A traditional autumn texture can feel modern when balanced with something lighter. Even an outfit inspired by decades past can feel current when the styling is relaxed and intentional. This is where Linda's confidence becomes part of the look. She doesn't appear to rely on clothing to prove anything. The clothes support her presence rather than becoming the entire story. And perhaps that is one of the biggest reasons her style feels timeless. There's also something important about knowing what to leave out. Modern elegance isn't always about adding another accessory, another layer, another statement piece, or another trend. Sometimes the most stylish decision is simply stopping before the outfit becomes too much. Would removing one piece make the outfit cleaner? Would simplifying the accessories make the overall look more sophisticated? Would a more relaxed silhouette make the outfit feel more current? Those are the kinds of questions that can completely transform autumn dressing. So when you look at Linda Wright's autumn style, Don't just look at what she wears, look deeper. Look at the confidence behind the choices, the simplicity behind the elegance, and the way she allows her personal style to evolve without losing the essence of who she is. Because perhaps that is the real secret to looking stylish as the seasons change. It isn't about constantly replacing your wardrobe. It isn't about chasing every new trend that appears. And it certainly isn't about trying to dress like someone half your age. It's about understanding what works for you and knowing how to give those timeless elements a fresh, modern feeling. Autumn gives us the perfect opportunity to do exactly that. As the season changes, your wardrobe can change with it, but it doesn't have to change completely. Sometimes a familiar piece can feel entirely different when you style it in a new way. A classic combination can suddenly look contemporary when the proportions are updated. A simple outfit can become memorable when you add just the right finishing touch. And that's where personal style becomes more powerful than fashion trends. Trends come and go. One year, something is everywhere, and the next year, it has disappeared from the conversation. But elegance doesn't work that way. Elegance is much quieter. It comes from knowing yourself, understanding what makes you feel confident, and refusing to let a trend dictate your entire identity. That is what makes Linda Wright's approach so refreshing. She doesn't seem to be asking, "What is everyone wearing?" The more important question is, how can I make this work for me? And that small change in mindset can completely transform the way you approach fashion. Instead of opening your wardrobe and thinking that you have nothing to wear, you begin to see possibilities. Instead of believing you need something new every season, you begin to discover new ways to style what you already have. Instead of worrying about whether an outfit makes you look younger, you start asking whether it makes you feel confident, comfortable, and beautifully yourself. Isn't that what great style should ultimately do? It should make you feel like yourself, but perhaps a little more polished, a little more confident, and a little more ready to step into the world. So this autumn, don't be afraid of timeless pieces. Don't be afraid of simplicity. And don't assume that looking modern requires you to follow every fashion trend. Choose thoughtfully. Edit your wardrobe. Experiment with combinations. Pay attention to the way your clothes work together. Because there is something incredibly beautiful about a woman who knows herself well enough to say, "I know what I like, I know what suits me, and I don't need to prove anything." And most importantly, remember that the most fashionable thing you can wear this autumn isn't a particular trend, silhouette, or accessory. It's the confidence to know that your style belongs to you.